Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a look with one of these Plouise colour bases. I bought the blue one, which is Touch of Frost, the purple one which is Vivid Violet, and the greeny kind of mint one which is Hint of Mint. So I've already decided that we're going to be doing a purple look, hence the purple top. Yeah, not too sure what the plan of action is. We're just gonna pop it on and see where we end up. I seen Michael Finch did a video with a blue base and he put it in his waterline and it just looked so good, so I'm gonna try and do something similar. That's what's kind of giving me the inspiration for this video. So yeah, let's just jump right in and see where we end up. Oh, I've done my face and my base makeup because I have done the Ordinary foundation first impressions review video, so I'll link that below if I've posted that by the time I post this. Yeah, so we'll see. So far I quite like it. I think it's applied really well. Don't think it looks too much different than my usual foundations, but yeah, so if I haven't posted it below, then watch this space for that video coming. So yeah, let's jump right in. So since I'm doing an eye look here, I thought I'd just bring these in a bit closer. Side note, definitely no makeup artist, just messing about and seeing how we get on. So if this is a disaster, then you might not even see this footage, but hopefully it goes okay and we get something that's semi nice. So yeah, so I've already mentioned this is going to be the start of the show, so let's see where we end up. Okay, so that's some serious colour we're getting here. I'm going to do one eye first and then hopefully copy the second eye. Next I'm going to take my normal Plouise base in Rumor 2 and put that in the middle. Don't want too much. It's probably too much already, but oh well. I think this is going to be one of those ones where trust the process is the key message. Yeah, okay. So we're just going to set that, and I'm going to be using this beauty, the mini breaker from Jeffree Star. It's got nice purples in it here and here, and I've also got some single eyeshadows from MAC as well. Excuse the state of this. Yeah, I'll try and take them out and see what they're actually called if I use them, but yeah. Whoa, okay, one's just fell out. This one is Hopscotch, so I think I am going to use this one actually. Lola's wanting out again, bear with.
I'm just going to take some of that and stick it to my actual crease.
Wow, that's not doing very much, is it? Okay, MAC Hopscotch, do not recommend. I'm gonna jump into Jeffree's palette, I think, and use the shade Purple Punch, that one. Okay, I would say now we're talking with some purple. We're just gonna bring that out a little bit. So does this look like an amused face right now? No. I got up to let Lola out and came back, carried on with my thing, and realised when I got to this stage, practically finished, that I hadn't carried on recording, so great. So the plan now is I'm just gonna finish this eye off the camera, then copy it on this one to show you, because I was kind of just winging it, but it's turned out okay. So yeah, that's where we're at. Great. Okay everyone, hello, I'm back. This is the finished eye. Just popped some of that Plouise base in the lower lash line. Added a bit of glitter, a bit of highlight, a wing and a lash. So yeah, I'm now gonna go ahead and do the other eye. So yeah, I'll talk you through that if you like this one. Okay, so then I added MAC Hopscotch on top of the purple shade, which was an absolute fail, complete waste of time, but just for symmetry and all, we'll just do the same. Like, I've literally not even used this, and it just doesn't, I mean, you can see it, but it's just so sheer, it's not good. Okay, so next I'm going to take the mini Jawbreaker and I'm going to just mix up between this one and this one. So it's Purple Punch and Foreplay that I'm going to put in the crease and on top of the two purple sections. Side note, but I really want to use Orange Crush. It's actually got like shimmers in it. I hope you can see. It's so nice. Just taking more of Purple Punch and packing that on top of the Plouise base. And then blending back and forth. This is turning into a bit of a kind of pinky purple look, but we'll just roll with it. And then we'll just wing that out. For the brush, I'm actually just using a Kylie brush. These are really, really good. I like them a lot. Okay, so now we've done that, we're just going to add in this MAC pigment. And this is in Christmas, I think it is. Kitsmas? But yeah, we're just going to pop that in the middle here. But first, we're just going to use some of the Too Faced glitter glue. So we're just going to pop a wee bit of this on a brush and then dab it in the middle. I'm going a little bit too high, but we can fix that. Take some of our pigment. Yeah. Buzzing with that, that's so nice. Just blend a little bit in there, that I went a bit too high. Might add a bit more smoke to the lower lash line. Right, I'm sidetracking here. Okay, so just gonna pop some on the lower lash line. Okay, so after that, what I did was I took the Hot Fudge colour from the palette just to pop in the outer part of the eye to deepen that up some more. Okay, think we're happy with that, I would say. So next we're just gonna jump back to the Plouise base, and I'm just gonna add it in my waterline on the side, just what I've done over across here. And I'm getting it all on my lashes, but we'll fix that after, don't worry. Not that anyone probably was worrying, but yeah. Okay, cool, I like it. Next I'm just going to add some Bottom Wash mascara to try and hide that. And now we're just going to wing that out. Using MAC Brush Black mascara. Let me start that again. We're going to wing it out using the eyeliner from MAC Brush Black. I actually had an afterthought that I could have used the base to do a liner, but it's not happened, so that's what we're just gonna go with what we've done. So next you just want to take another MAC pigment. This is in the shade Vanilla. Doesn't have to be exactly these products, but just whatever is similar. And I'm just gonna give the eyebrow a wee bit of highlight, and just above the brow bone as well. And then I'm going to take this glitter. This is by Too Faced. And what is it? Glitterly. Okay, and I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner. Just for a bit of something. Okay, so next we just want to apply the lashes, do something with the lips, and that'll be the look done. Just gonna finish off by applying some mascara. Perfect. Now, I think I'm just going to add a wee purple line at the wing, just since I really wanted this to be the focus and it's kind of lost its focus. Cool. So we're just taking that and running it right up the other wing that we've already got. Kind of like a wee double wing. Lips. I have no idea. I did apply a Too Faced liquid melted lipstick, but I didn't like it, so I might just go for a boring. We'll see. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick to the safe lipstick. I'm just gonna go for this kind of nudie one, and this is MAC Babe Town Cream Sheen lipstick. I think that'll look not too bad. I kind of want the eyes to be the focus, so yeah. I'm just going to line the lips with Whirl. Yeah, happy with that. So that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, let me know what you think down below. Feel free to like and subscribe as usual. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will speak to you in the next one. Thank you.